Have you ever stood up and for a moment it feels like your feet aren't quite online yet? That subtle, unnerving sensation that you can't fully trust the ground beneath you. You might have strong legs, you might be able to walk for miles, but when you turn a corner or walk on uneven grass, that sudden jolt of unsteadiness takes over. If you've been doing leg strengthening exercises and still feel that way, I want you to hear this loud and clear. It is not your fault. The reason those exercises don't provide lasting stability is because they are targeting the wrong problem. True, unshakable balance doesn't start with the power in your legs. It starts with the clarity of a secret signal sent from your feet to your brain. Think of it like a phone call on a bad connection. Your feet are trying to tell your brain about the subtle tilts and textures of the ground, but the line is full of static. As we age and become less active, this signal from a forgotten nerve system in our feet gets weaker. Your brain doesn't get the information it needs in time to keep you steady. In this video, we are going to fix that bad connection. I will guide you through 3 remarkably simple exercises, all done from the safety of a chair, designed to awaken this dormant nerve and clear that static for good. This isn't about strength, it's about communication. And it's the key to reclaiming your confidence with every step you take. All right, let's begin the process of clearing that static. First, and most importantly, let's talk about safety. All 3 of these activations are designed to be done while sitting in a sturdy, stable chair. No wheels, please. Sit comfortably with your back supported and place both of your feet flat on the floor, about hips width apart. Your safety and confidence are our top priorities today. This first movement we're going to do is the most foundational. I call it the arch lift. The reason we start here is because this tiny, subtle movement directly targets the main nerve bundle in the sole of your foot. This is the master power switch for that communication line to your brain. Before you can have a clear conversation, you have to turn the main power on. So, let's do it together. Keeping your foot flat on the floor, I want you to focus on just one foot to begin with. Keep your toes straight and your heel planted. Now, gently tighten the muscles in the sole of your foot, as if you are trying to shorten it by pulling the ball of your foot back towards your heel. Your arch should raise just a little bit off the floor. The most important part is that you do not curl your toes under. You should be able to see all of your toenails throughout the entire exercise. It is a very small, very deep movement. Now, I want to be very clear about something. If you try this and you feel almost nothing, or you can't seem to make the arch move, please do not be discouraged. In fact, that's a good sign. It's confirmation that this nerve system has been dormant, and we found the exact right spot to work on. The simple act of you attempting to make the muscle contract is already sending a powerful new signal down that nerve pathway. Let's try a few together. Gently create that arch and hold it for 3, 2, 1, and relax your foot completely. Let's do that again. Lift the arch, not the toes. Hold for 3, 2, 1, and relax. Fantastic. With every single repetition, you are rebooting that connection. You're telling your brain, hey, listen to my feet again. Now that the power is on, let's teach that nerve how to speak. Excellent. You've successfully turned on the main power switch. Now that your brain is paying attention again, we need to expand the vocabulary of the signal. A clear connection isn't just about being on, it's about being precise and detailed. This is what gives you the ability to walk across a soft lawn or a gravel driveway with confidence, because your brain is receiving a rich, high-definition picture of the ground. To achieve this, we are going to use a wonderfully effective exercise I call the ankle alphabet. Why the alphabet? Because the act of drawing each unique letter forces your ankle to move through every single plane of motion, up, down, in, out, and in circles. Each of these distinct movements activates a different combination of nerves, sending a complex and detailed map of your foot's position directly to your brain. It's a powerful upgrade for your internal GPS system. So, let's do this one together as well. While remaining safely seated in your chair, Please extend one leg straight out in front of you. It doesn't need to be perfectly locked, just comfortably extended. Now, imagining your big toe is a pen, I want you to slowly and deliberately draw the capital letters of the alphabet in the air. Let's start. Big, clear movements. A, now B, then C. You'll notice you have to really concentrate to make the shapes clean. That concentration you feel, that is the brain-body connection being forged in real time. It's the feeling of your brain learning a new language. Don't worry if the letters are messy or if your ankle feels a bit stiff. That's perfectly normal. This isn't a handwriting test, it's a communication test. You are actively waking up pathways that may have been quiet for years. This single exercise is one of the most powerful things you can do for your proprioception, which is the scientific term for your brain's ability to know where your body parts are without having to look at them. Go through the entire alphabet on one foot, take a moment to rest, and then we'll repeat on the other side. You are doing fantastic work. You are doing beautifully. So far, we have turned on the power with the arch lift, and we have upgraded the signal with the ankle alphabet. Now, for our final activation, we are going to teach this newly awakened system how to do its most important job. Interact with the world around you. True balance isn't just about standing still, it's about your foot's ability to instantly grip, adjust, and respond to different surfaces. This is where we put that new brain-foot connection to the test in a safe, controlled way. For this, you will need one simple tool, a small hand towel. I call this exercise the towel grip, and it is designed to activate the precise nerves that control the side-to-side stability of your ankle and the gripping power of your foot. This is the skill that prevents your ankle from rolling when you step on a stone or a curb. Let's set this up. Please remain seated upright in your chair, with both feet flat on the floor. Take your towel and place it on the floor just to the outside of the foot you want to work on first. Now, the goal is to move that towel using only your foot. Keeping your heel firmly planted on the floor and your leg stable, I want you to use your toes and the side of your foot to grasp the towel and pull it inwards, towards the center, underneath your foot. It's a curling and pulling motion. You may need to take a few bites of the towel to move it. That's perfect. Each time your foot grasps that towel, it's like doing a dumbbell curl for your nerve endings. You are strengthening their ability to respond to commands from the brain. Once you've pulled the entire towel underneath your foot, you can then push it back out to the starting position. Again, this is not about speed, it's about control. Notice how you have to concentrate to make the small muscles work. That focus is everything. You are creating a conscious pathway for a skill that needs to be automatic in the real world. You are building a foot that is not just a passive base, but an active, intelligent, and responsive part of your balance system. Complete this on both sides, and you will have successfully rebooted your body's foundational connection for stability. You have done incredible work today. By completing these 3 simple activations, you have sent a clearer, stronger signal from your feet to your brain than you have in years. Before we finish, I want to address a few common questions that might be on your mind because understanding the process is just as important as doing the exercises. First, what if I could barely feel the muscles working, especially in the arch lift? As I said before, this is completely normal. It's actually proof that we are targeting the right area. The goal isn't a powerful muscle contraction. The goal is simply to send the signal. The attempt is the success. Your consistency is what will turn that faint whisper of a signal into a confident command. Second, how often should I do these? My recommendation is to do this routine once a day. Think of it like brushing your teeth. It's a small, essential piece of daily maintenance for your balance system. It takes only a few minutes, and the cumulative effect of doing it daily is where the real magic happens. Third, when will I feel a difference? You might not feel a dramatic change overnight, and that's okay. The changes are subtle at first. You might notice you're not thinking about your feet as much when you walk. Or you might catch yourself turning to grab something without that momentary hesitation. Lasting stability is built with small, consistent daily deposits. Be patient and kind with your body. The most important thing I want you to remember is that you are in control. Your age is not a cage. Your body is designed to adapt, and you just proved it can. You have taken a powerful step towards rebuilding your confidence from the ground up. Now, I have a request for you. If you are committed to awakening this hidden connection and reclaiming your stability, I want you to go to the comment section below and write, "Nerve Awake." This is more than just a comment. It's a declaration to yourself that you are taking back control, and it inspires everyone else in this community who is on the same journey. And finally, if you haven't already, please subscribe and click the notification bell. In our next video, we are going to reveal the #1 common sitting posture that puts this vital nerve back to sleep without you even realizing it. You won't want to miss it. Thank you for trusting me today. Stay strong, stay steady, and I will see you in the next video.